friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Finn the human for beginners. So first we're going to get started with the center of our face. So in the middle we're going to draw in a nice big sideways oval. So starting on the top, we're going to curve this line around and then down on the left. And then we're going to continue to arch this line back around and through towards the bottom. Now as we come across on the right, starting back on this line, we're going to replicate that. So we're going to arch this line around and then down on the right. And then again, starting back on this line, we're just going to curve this line all the way around and then in. On the left-hand side for our eye now, we're going to draw in an oval. And then moving across on the right, we're going to replicate that. Towards the top of both eyes now, we're going to draw in another circle for the highlight. And then we're just going to color in the rest of our eye black. Now in the center for the mouth, we're just going to draw in a small arch line. Let's close off the top of the head now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line all the way over and across on the right. For our left ear, we're going to curve this line up and then back down. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right. Let's continue to bring these lines down towards the bottom now. So starting back on this line, we're going to continue to bring this line all the way down. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, and we're just going to end this at the same height. Lastly, we're just going to close this off on the bottom now with a nice big curved line, bringing the in towards the middle. And then starting back on our center line, just bringing this over and then up on the right. And that is it. That's how you draw Finn for beginners. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.